Hello and welcome to the Edges of Earth. My name is Brock. Today where am I?
Sylhet Agricultural University.
Sylhet Agricultural University.
Northern east part of Bangladesh.
Okay, yeah, the northeast part of Bangladesh in a place called Sylhet. And basically, I want to learn a little bit about how universities work in this country. So today I'm with a few friends and they're going to show me around.
My name is Rabbi and I am 25 years old.
Hi, I'm Bishan. I'm here.
Okay.
I'm Swag 21.
Basically, they're going to help me around, explore this area, and teach me everything that they know about this. I'm going to try to condense all of the information into one little video. You said there's something going on behind me, yeah?
It's like a poultry fair.
Yeah?
It's like a chicken fair.
A chicken fair?
Yeah.
So we're having a chicken fair in a plant university.
It's not a plant university. It's combined of both the livestock and the plant. If you combine them, it will be an agricultural university.
Okay, you said that's right. You did say agriculture. Yeah, I guess.
I saw.
Because
so agriculture.
I seen the sign the other day and it said, what was it?
Botany.
Botany. Yeah, botany. And I'm like, plants, but okay, yeah, agriculture. So we're having.
Agriculture combined.
Okay, yeah,
everything.
plants, animals, everything.
Yeah, plants,
together.
animals, everything. Yeah.
If you want to be a vet, doctor, or if you want to be agriculturalist, or if you want to study in fisheries, or if you want to study genetic and biotechnology, our university kind of offers that level of degree. This is a public university, and this is run by the government of Bangladesh.
There are only 34 public universities in Bangladesh right now. 34, like 36. So it's one of them.
40 students compete for one seat. One seat to complete his degree in the university. So basically, it's when they call for admission test, they have to find out. They have to collect 300 plus students from the 30 to 35 candidates who are applying to get degrees from our university.
It's a bit hard.
So we're on our way to the, you said chicken fair?
Chicken
party?
Yes, chicken
we're
fair.
going to a chicken party at a university.
And it is the,
Oh wow, there's actually like live chickens.
Like live
I
chickens,
thought we were
I
like
told
eating
you.
chickens.
No,
But
we're not eating chicken.
oh, so
Scenes
it's
of chickens.
because I smell food in the air, but we're not eating
like,
chickens. We're just looking at chickens, like
Some
for real.
pigeons. So it's kind of show of every species we work with. Some local farmers are come here, and local agencies they come here to show their work, how they do work with the chickens or the birds or like veterinary. It's everything, and they show their chickens. Basically, it's basically a display like thing.
Interesting. So basically, the livestock and the animals of this country contribute to a vast majority of the economy.
Yeah.
That's insane. So you were saying that pigeon that's inside there, the value is how much?
Like 20,000 for a pair.
20,000.
25,000 for a pair. Yes.
That's a really expensive bird.
Yeah, really expensive bird.
What I've noticed is behind the tables, there's many children who are like running the show, running the table. Why?
Maybe they work in the farm,
But
or they're the son of the owner, or like something
like that. So where's the
maybe.
owner?
I don't know.
So
I
we
don't
just
really know.
have children running the booth over here.
Yeah.
So over there we have the actual animals. Over here we have the eggs, and over here you can eat the chicken.
This is the monument. We have this thing in every university or every respected places like educational institution, and all over the country you will find at least one. We have it in respect of the language martyrs of our country. A language movement for our mother language that happened in 1952, and many people died in that movement when we were being ruled by Pakistan country. We were being oppressed by them, and people wanted Bangla as the state language. You can see the structures over there, and the alphabets are made out of concrete. This symbolizes the respect for the language martyrs, and this kind of reminds us every moment that how our language, how much is important to us, and how many lives were sacrificed to gain the language.
Yeah.
Within your country?
You have to
Oh my God.
open your shoes.
Oh my God, my shoes are tied. Okay.
It's like a respect.
Yeah. Gotta take your shoes off.
Yeah.
See, I'm learning.
we can see these buildings, and these buildings were not available or present maybe 25 years ago. It was a college, a vet college, I mean veterinary college, which was named Sylhet Government Veterinary College, and then it became a university 11 years ago.
And it has a nice garden too.
Yep.
So why do we have sheep just wandering in here? That's okay, that's normal?
Yeah, because we kind of paid this sheep. The University of Veterinary students to experiment with this sheep.
Experiment, like what? What is one example
like
of an
operation?
experiment?
Some kind of thing.
And then back there was a cow on a leash. Why? What do you do with the cow?
Yeah, for the same reason.
Just to experiment?
Yeah, just to experiment, yeah.
Like what would you experiment on a cow? Like cut open operation or?
Yeah, sometimes we cut open operation.
Okay.
Give them medicine, or if they try some drug on them.
Okay.
This kind of thing.
Interesting. And so in his spare time he just hangs out and eats grass?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, we have like 3 or 4 cows, so.
Okay. Do you have names for them?
No.
No? We should name it. If you have a name, put it in the comments below. What should the name of that cow be?
Okay.
Please tell me. Maybe if there becomes a popular name,
Yeah,
you should,
maybe
you should-
Flock.
No, don't name the cow after me. But you could spray paint it on the side, or put a stake in the yard and say
is
the
the
name
call.
of the cow is this
Yeah.
because of the video.
Okay.
Be awesome.
So in university, the students have 2 places to eat.
Okay.
One is the hostel. In the hostel, there is a dining room. We have our own chef from the university. He prepares the food for us. This is the one option, and the second option is the hotels like this, and also outside. And these hotels are very cheap.
Okay.
Very, very cheap.
So in the first option, the food at your school,
Yep.
do the students pay for your lunch, or is that part of the program?
No, we have to pay for our lunch. 50 taka a day
50 taka a day.
for 3 meals.
Okay, awesome. And then what would the value of a meal, let's say behind me, cost? Rice and
It's like 50 taka for one lunch.
okay, so it's about the same price.
No, it's not the same price.
Oh,
It's one meal costs 50 taka,
Okay.
and in our hostel, 3 meal costs 50 taka.
okay.
He likes it. This is the smallest hostel, and this is the oldest one of the campus.
Okay, so this is basically the area where everybody comes to eat, yeah?
And there is a TV in every dining room.
There's a TV?
That's the case
Where's the
where
So there's the case, but there's no
that's the
TV.
case where the TV is kept. I think it's damaged and taken for
Yeah, I'm thinking it's
repair.
been a long time since the TV was inside, yeah? Full of spider webs. And we have a cat. Hello. Cool, so everybody finishes class and comes here at about the same time?
I think it's in between 1 to 2 p.m.
1 to 2 p.m.
Yeah, you have to finish your
That's right. In
dining.
this country, your lunches are generally later than what it is in my country.
If you come later that time, you are not gonna get any food.
Really?
And here is the interesting part. The guys who are preferring to have their room delivery, they can have this.
Room delivery.
Yeah,
Wow.
they can have.
Does it come at an extra fee? What does it cost additional?
It comes with extra fee, 250
For how long? How many days?
for a month.
For a month?
Yes.
Oh wow. So does that one kitchen cook for every place, or this is just one?
One kitchen cooks for this building.
Okay. So this one building is provided food by that one kitchen. Okay. And there's about 500
Every
people in this
building
one.
building has 5 different kitchens.
Okay. Interesting. A lot of people.
Kausar.
Okay, so now we're entering like a dorm, but it's super dark, so you probably cannot see very well. I'll walk this way. I think there's more light. Interesting. So explain to me. This is divided like what? I was gonna say I think it's 4. We have like strings. There's 2 big strings, and basically this is someone's area, and then area.
And
So there's
curtains,
4.
These curtains are.
Yeah, and then they have sheets for curtains, yeah?
They're meant for the privacy.
Yeah, interesting. And so how long does someone stay here?
A student can can stay here in his entire course.
Which could take
4 years.
4 years. You
Some
could live
even
in a
stay
corner.
for 7-8 years.
It's so long. Yeah, and then people can just write on the walls. Is that normal?
Yeah, it's normal.
Yeah. Like what does this say right here?
This is called মানুষ যখন যুক্তিতে আসতে নিয়ন্ত্রিত করে যখন সে মানুষ করে নিয়ে তখন সে হয়ে ওঠে আত্মীয়। When people believe in logic, they can control their emotions and they can value the people and their thoughts, and then this is how they become modern.
Okay, that's cool. So basically your rooms are, it's gender divided. So men sleep in one room and then women have a different area. Yeah, it's not co-ed.
Men's hostel is one corner of the university and
You don't just separate rooms, but
No,
like completely different sides of the university.
Opposite.
Oh my god,
Opposite
totally
sides of the
separate.
university.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yes.
Very different. So we actually made it to the rooftop. What do people usually do on the rooftop?
They basically spend their leisure time here by
Okay.
gossiping and playing cricket.
Come chill out.
Sometimes.
Cricket on the rooftop.
Yeah.
What happens if the ball goes over?
They get it back.
Oh my god. Okay, interesting. Yeah, and then there's people behind me who also take a bath. Yeah, rooftop bath.
He's taking it back.
Yeah, awesome.
Because he maybe he doesn't want to be a part of the hassle in the
okay.
being in the queue.
Okay, so you just come to the rooftop and do it. Yeah, it's better up here anyway. I would do the same.
I am getting ready to.
Yeah, this is the main pond of our university.
The main pond.
Yes.
What do you do at the pond?
Some people take the bath there,
Yeah.
and there's 2 lakes.
Yeah.
Basically, this one and there is another one. You see that, and it is used mainly for the fisheries,
Okay.
fish culture.
Yeah.
For the
So there's a lot of fish inside
fisheries
here?
development. Yes, there's a lot
Okay.
of fish inside there.
Cool. Do any of them are gonna bite the people when they take a bath?
no.
You don't have
They're
like
harmless.
you don't have like piranhas?
No
piranhas.
no piranhas.
No piranhas.
Yeah.
Cool. So basically, we kind of toured the area to give you a taste of what it's like to live at a dorm at a university in Sylhet. I'm curious, what are some of the costs for you? Like you come to this area to study and you pick a program, let's say one program. What is a common program?
Vet doctor.
Okay, so you want to be a veterinarian. How much do you pay like per year? Like is there a cost that what is an expense?
The tuition is completely free.
The tuition is free.
Yes, over the 4-year length course,
Yeah.
you get to study for free, and our government offers us this degree for free, and they spend almost 1 lakh Bangladeshi taka behind every student per year.
About $1,200 for 1 year.
Yes.
And that is basically, if you had to pay it for yourself, then it would be about that per year to be a vet in this country. That is just unimaginable. You in the United States, you know, in other Western countries, how expensive it is to become a veterinarian in your country. It is ludicrous
And
how expensive it is.
You get free accommodations.
Yeah,
but
free accommodations.
You have to pay for your food.
You have to pay for food only,
Yes.
which is about 50 taka per day.
Free transportation also.
And free
Free
transportation.
transportation.
Your education is free.
It's free.
That is amazing. Like I'm quite jealous, and I think the majority of the world would be quite jealous with that. That's about it. So I hope you all enjoyed exploring and walking around and visiting this area. I certainly did. It's just a different atmosphere altogether. If you're able to support the page in any way, feel free to visit the description below. Thank you all for watching, and remember, your time is running out. Start living.
Yep.
Take
Bye.
care.